What up, guys, and welcome back to another video with your girl Teresa Adele.
Do you remember
Say what now? What'd you say now? Okay. So I thought somebody had said something. I am here bringing you body, honey. Let me hear you. This unit is from Empress Wig. This is, I'm sorry, Empress, the company. This is a lace wig. This is, of course, synthetic because you know she ain't buying that yet. But I will soon. But anyway, let me give you the information. So I was like, it's time for something new. It's time for some color. And so I was like, I saw this one and I was just like, it had been in my car for a minute. So I saw it a while ago. But I was just like, you know what? Let me go ahead and purchase this wig or whatever, and other things that I saw that I wanted. I was like, I'll just do it later at a different date, on a different date. So I ended up purchasing the Zanaya wig here in the color T1B350, and I love it. Actually, I think it's really cute. This will be more so for like the fall winter vibe ish, but yeah, this is what it is. So it is, of course, a deep part. It has baby hair already plucked out, even though I tried to do some extra baby hair, but you know, your girl, I just don't be having time for all of that. I got stuff to film and stuff to do. I'm trying to get all of this done within a certain amount of time. So yeah, so it's the lace front edge, and the lace front went from side to side, so that was pretty cool. And yeah, so of course they have their maintenance on here, but it's definitely giving you bounce. It's definitely giving you bounce. It's definitely giving you like old school or back in the day housewives, where, you know, they used to do the wine curls to the, you know, curls for the girls, honey, curls to the gods. And this is what this is giving me. Curls, endless curls. So once it falls, it'll probably be even cuter. But I'm not combing it out because she's synthetic, and once she goes bad, or when she, you know, starts to turn, I'm not putting no heat on her. So yeah, cut the lace off. I tried to do some little work up at the top, at the front, but honestly I really didn't need to do much. It is a bit tight. I wish you guys would make wigs that fit bigger heads, but we working with it. It's all the way on there. It's all the way on there. The combs are in. That's pretty much all that I have to say thus far. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, or if you have any comments, or if you have if you want to go and try to purchase this wig, I will link them in the description. I will link them in the description, and meet me in the comments. Let's have a conversation. Now I gotta find a name for her. This is so cute. This is like a auburn, like a auburn red color, it's like a auburn because it's like an orange between orange and red, and it's just fiery, and it's just so freaking cute. And I can't wait to fall because I'm rocking it this fall. I'm gonna wait till the fall because she can't do long hair in the summer, and she tried, and it was just a whole thing, guys. It's always a whole thing because I sweat like my daddy, and it's just not cute. Never ever is it flattering for me to sweat the way that I do. So the less hair the better. So I've been really rocking my natural hair this summer. So, but yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm leaving that in the video too.
Married. look like brown. Is that brown? That's red. Or brown.
It's like a auburn.
Why? Because they took over the TV downstairs. Can you put something in your crib? If you say hi to my sister, I will.
You didn't want to say hi to me? Hi. How are you? What's wrong? Why are you looking so mad? Huh?
Do you remember me? I'm the one that you never needed. I'm the one that you mistreated. I'm the dream you didn't believe in. Do you remember me? Busted up and feeling defeated, divided into so many pieces, while all of my emotions were bleeding. But look at me now, standing on my own 2 feet.
At 8 o'clock.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, she pity.
If you could just make sure that you logging out the phones a little bit earlier, so you don't go over your time and you can clock out on time, that would be nice. I got you. I'm clocking. I swear, I'll log out of the phones at 5:30 if you need me.
Do you be responding to her? Cause I wouldn't even respond.
I can't do that though. I really ain't gonna never. Girl, I just keep trying. Keep trying. Really, that's just what it is. I'm just a sucker for pain.
So this wig is too tight. So I'm gonna have to cut into it.
Ooh, you ever cut you ever cut it and made it like a U-part wig?
Now I can go a little longer, walking my business longer. You hurt me, you just show me you didn't deserve me. But you taught me how to measure my worth. Now I'm never settling for less than the first. Baby, every time you hurt me, you just show me you didn't deserve me. But you taught me how to measure my worth. Now I'm never settling for less than the first.
A lot of more out and start getting ready to cut the grass. The car was still in reverse when he hopped out, and so it ran the mailbox over.
What he say?
He just was like, he was sorry, he was so embarrassed, you know, he just couldn't believe that just really happened, and he was like, you know, he wanted to basically replace the flowers that he had ran over and killed, and he to pay us for the mailbox, and he wanted to, you know.
Baby, do you remember me? I'm the one that you never needed. I'm the one that you mistreated. I'm the dream you didn't believe in. Do you remember me? Busted up and feeling defeated, divided into so many pieces, while all of my emotions were bleeding. But look at me now.
You take your break to 30 minutes before it's time for you to 30 minutes before your 30 minutes before you clock out.
Okay, duh.
I'm asking. And what? I was just asking a question.
What's the problem?
And what's the issue?
What was it?
What was it?
Okay.
So, yeah, I like it. I really am glad that it's the roots are dark as they are.
Yeah.
For me, you lighter than me, so you could deal with, you versatile with the color. You could be versatile. You guys, I did not show you the inside, and I just realized that I didn't show you the inside of this unit, but I will let you know what's in here. It's nothing really. It's no strap in here, but there are small straps along elastic along the side, the little straps that you can kind of like small straps that you can adjust, adjustable straps that you can hook and adjust the wig and tighten it or loosen it however you need be. I don't use those because my head is so large. I don't need them. And then it has combs. I believe it has 4 combs in here, and here's the lace for you to see. Yeah, so that's pretty much that, guys. Like I said before, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave suggestions, or if you have any comments or anything in the comment section, leave it there. Let's have a discussion. Let's talk. Tell me what you would like me to see me and what color you would like me to wear or whatever, and let's see what we can do and make it happen for you, because this is what I'm here for. I'm here for you. All right, I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to the channel once again. You guys have been really consistent, really loyal, and we have literally just crossed over the 200 subscriber mark, and I couldn't be happier. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Almost in tears, but I'm gonna keep it pushing. Love you guys. I will see you guys in another video. Peace.
I do